Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Dan here with you. Well, I just won another car at the auction and I've come here today to collect it. The car is actually pretty low on oil, so I got some oil with me to top it off and then drive it back home. That's the idea. I hope there's nothing else seriously wrong with it. They mentioned that it just idling rough and doesn't have that much power, and it's pretty sluggish in power. I think it just got to do with cleaning the throttle body. But then you would guess, if it was that simple, why didn't the previous owner just clean the throttle body and sell the car himself? So the car could have some other issues, which I may find out while driving back home today. So I hope it doesn't break down till I go home. I'm a bit nervous and anxious about that. Anyways, let's go see the car. So there it is, guys. That's my car, the Suzuki Swift. It looks good, doesn't it? Not a bad looking car, but I hope there's nothing wrong with it. Oh, it's locked. Obviously the car is unregistered, and to drive it on the road you need an UVP or an unregistered vehicle permit, which I actually got from Service NSW. So I can actually drive this car for one day from the auction yard till my house without a number plate. So that's the use of an UVP. It just cost me $32, and if I had to use a tow truck, it would cost me like $130 to $150, sometimes even $200 to $250. So compared to that, getting this UVP is cheaper if your car is running. Obviously, if the car has some serious issues, and if this car breaks down while I go home, obviously I do need to call a tow truck, and that would be a big headache. But I'm hoping, since it's a Japanese engine and it's Suzuki's engine, there shouldn't be any major issues and it should be reliable, and that's what I base my trust on. Hopefully it doesn't break till I reach home, and my house is just like 20 minutes away from here. I'm hoping the car can do that distance without an issue. Anyway, let's see, let's hope for the best. Guys, here comes my Swift. I'm pretty excited. Wow. Okay, let's start the engine and see if the engine oil level is okay. I need to check the engine oil level after a while. We have around 60 kilometers range, so fuel is all right. It stinks of cigarette inside here, pretty horrible smell. Now let me check the level, and if it's okay, we'll start from here. So we are off, guys. The engine oil level is okay. It's now between low and maximum. Still pretty low. I didn't put oil all the way to the max, but I think it's enough till I reach home. So all we have to do is just reach home without any issues. I might need to put some fuel as well. We'll do that once we go nearby our house. Wish me luck, guys. I hope this car doesn't break down on the way. So far the car's running fine. I hope I didn't jinx anything. There's no warning lights on the car. Initial pickup is a bit dull. I'm not sure why that is. The engine is really smooth actually. Maybe the issue will crop up after a bit of driving. Still a few more kilometers to my house. I just pray and hope that this car doesn't break down, guys. So I'm at the petrol bunk. I'm going to refuel my car. So I refueled my Swift, and now I have around 295 kilometers of range. It just cost me around $30. So I'm not really sure what's wrong with the car. Let's go home and check it out. Let's go. The car actually seems fine. It's driving okay. The brakes are pretty good. The brakes are very good actually. I'm not sure exactly what's wrong with the car, because it seems to be driving fine. There's no loss of power or rough idling. It seems fine. Not sure what's wrong. I don't know, maybe I got lucky. So in my short drive, I can't find anything wrong with this Swift. Anyways, I'll be checking out this car next week on my channel, and if you're interested in this Swift, do stay subscribed to my channel.